how to ace night shift without hampering your health. Some professions demand night shift, and that is when you have to adjust your body and mind to a new schedule. Plan your day and night. Just because you are working late at night, do not miss out on your hobbies or your relaxed time. You can take your time to go to sleep as your shift starts late anyways. Consistent sleep time. Even if you are sleeping late at night, keep your sleep time constant so that your body gets enough rest. Stay in touch with people. Reversing your routine may be difficult on your mind, so it is important to stay in touch with people and the activities you love doing. Do not forget your meal. Keep your meals timing constant, or it may start impacting your metabolism. Power naps. Do not compromise 8 hours of sleep, and also try grabbing short powers naps in between work. This is how you can stay energetic during odd hours. Work under bright light. Work where there are bright lights. Keep healthy snacks. Include the healthy snack during your work hours, as you may get hungry even after dinner. Don't forget to show your support. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel.